This past September, Hurricane Fiona devastated Prince Edward Island. Fiona crippled the island's infrastructure and power supply. It would take some islanders weeks before the power would be restored to their homes and businesses. Once the storm settled, Samuel Stretch, a 17-year-old from Kinkora, decided he'd use his birthday money to purchase his own chainsaw to help with cleanup efforts. Once it was safe, Samuel set out. He spent anywhere from 3 hours to 3 days at each home, helping 6 families over a 3-week period clearing debris. Samuel, he showed up for his community. A member of the Elevate youth group in Summerside, Samuel has grown up learning to serve others. His youth leaders describe Samuel as having a generous spirit, a kind heart, and a role model who shows the younger members how to serve others. We surprised Samuel at his weekly youth group with a giant check for $1,000. We hope he's able to upgrade his chainsaw and safety gear, as well as find heartfelt ways to further help his community. We're so proud of Samuel for the actions he took during such a traumatic time for Islanders. He's destined to be a local legend.